Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to use AI on Canva, which is very useful. So leave a like and subscribe if you like the video. First we have to have a picture which we want to modify with AI. In this case, we have this ceviche peruano, which is typical food from Peru. So right now, what we want to do, if we are designers and actually need this image to be full, to be complete, we need to finish this part of the image that is not here. And in order to do that, we're going to select the image and go to edit, and then use magic expansion. Magic expansion is basically a tool, Canva tool, which use AI to expand images and try to complete them, interpreting whatever is going on it. So I'm going to expand this image to this size in order to see if Canva can actually complete what is lacking. So we use magic expansion, and I hope uh, we don't have to wait that much. If that's the case, I'm going to just cut this part and just, well, we didn't have to. So here it gives you like a couple of options. Right here you can see this is very good. Actually, this is not bad at all. Like, if you're going to use it on a specific part of your design that is not gonna be like stirred up. So this is pretty decent. We have some other examples right here which are good. I think this might be the best one, and then you can use this image for whatever purpose you want. So, and then you can like use the magic eraser to just, or not the magic eraser, but the, this in English, I don't know how it's called, but you just can you take out the background. So there you go. Now you have a full image you can use on your design. Hope you guys liked the tutorial. Hope you guys find it useful, and let me know in the comments. See you next time.